Welcome guys to week 24. Please like and comment the page. Please comment when you spot the animal. This week we explore the most stunning Daintree Rainforest. And our youngest goes to school for a day, wait and see why. And we do cane toad racing. There is so much happening this week, but first we are now staying at the Daintree village. Oh my god, this place is truly magical. I cannot even describe to you how beautiful this place is. I do not want to leave here. This has got to be the best caravan park, the best location we have ever stayed at. It is truly a magical experience. And the big question is, do we experience our first tropical cyclone? Stay tuned. So to explore this section of the Daintree Rainforest, we had to cross the bridge with the car bridge. So the car bridge is very cool. It's run by a pulley system. It costs money to go across. We visited the Daintree Discovery Centre today, which has walkways and a tower to climb. The admission costs also includes an audio guide and a guidebook. The centre also includes the dinosaur age in this part of Australia. We had an awesome time and it was a great activity for school, of course. Like I mentioned in the last video, I have fallen in love with this ancient rainforest system. I absolutely love the Daintree, and if you can get the opportunity, you must come and visit the Daintree. It is absolutely beautiful, such a magical place to be. It is so lush, so green, humid, and the bird life is just something else. It truly is a beautiful place to come and visit. So the Daintree Discovery Centre is a great place to visit because you get the opportunity to explore the rainforest at different levels. There is the ground level, then the walkway takes you up in amongst the trees and above the trees. And they also have a dinosaur section which explains how ancient this forest is. So I'm going to stop warbling on because I've taken way too many photos. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this stunning Daintree rainforest. After our amazing day at the Daintree Discovery Centre, we took the ferry system back to the other side. Like I said before, it is operated on a pulley system. There are crocodiles in this water. You do need to pay for this car ferry to get to and from the other side. Great way to explore the beautiful landscape out here. It was truly a magical day visiting the ancient rainforest. I have totally fallen in love. Like I said to you earlier, we are staying at the beautiful Daintree village. On our road trip, we have stayed at many caravan parks and different locations, but the Daintree Forest Caravan Park, it is the most beautiful one that we have stayed at. I cannot describe to you how beautiful, how green, and how peaceful this was. It is the quirkiest little caravan park, not many sights, but hey, truly is a magical gem staying here. We did not want to leave. The Daintree village sits on the edge of the rainforest overlooking the river and surrounded by lush tropical landscapes. The village itself is home to charming cafes, local art galleries, picnic areas, the caravan park, and just a quaint little town, well, village. It is known as the gateway to the Daintree River, where you can take wildlife cruises to spot the saltwater crocodiles and just explore the beautiful surrounding areas. It truly is a magical, peaceful place to come and visit. The caravan park is quite quirky. It's almost like a museum, or maybe the guy just hasn't thrown all his junk out and has made little displays that are quite interesting and fun to look at. Truly is a wonderful little experience, quite quirky. We do love a quirky little place. So we are in Far North Queensland, and that means cyclones. We have our first cyclone warning. How interesting. I wonder how this is going to play out. So of course the key factor is to listen to the locals and to the advice from the caravan park owners. So the Daintree village has a small school with a population of 12 students. Our youngest would make this population 13 for one day. As part of our Education WA guidelines, our youngest has to sit NAPLAN. It is a NAPLAN year, so he will be sitting this at the Daintree Rainforest School. The school has its own resident chickens. There are more chickens than children. It has been a very long time since I've packed a school lunch. Ollie had the best day visiting the school. He had a barrel load of fun and wasn't too worried about the government NAPLAN test. So next up we moved on to Port Douglas, which is only a short drive away because we needed to vote. It is compulsory to vote in Australia. So then we decided to stay at a Big Four resort with water slides for the kids. So we spent a lovely day relaxing by the pool while the kids played on the water slides and swimming and all those things that kids just love to do.
Then I'll ducks go there.
The caravan park has lots of fun features for the kids, including a jumping pillow. Our oldest child had a bit of a funny afternoon, wasn't feeling too well, maybe a bit of heat exhaustion, but after a quick rest, he felt much better, and we went off and did cane toad racing. Now this is something you gotta see. We caught the courtesy bus to the hotel, and we had a great night. Stay tuned for all the shenanigans. Apparently cane toad racing is one of those must-do things when you visit Port Douglas. You have to pay an admission fee, and you get a little ticket, and if your name gets called out of the bucket, you get to race a cane toad. So we are at the IronBar Hotel in Port Douglas. The group of people in the back room were all friendly and lovely. My two were the only children, and everyone was just great with the kids, and we had such a fun time. So sit back, relax, and share our evening with us. The big question is do we come first or do we come last? I wonder what our cane toad is going to do. As I mentioned, there was a jolly crowd in the back room. It was a bucks party. They kept it child friendly for us and let the boys join in on the bucks party. No girls allowed. So Mum took all the photos and film. Are you ready for all the action? Here we go.
Here you go, big kiss. It's only a 45-minute show, mate. Let's move this along. Round of applause. Chase, you've been watching this the whole time, sir. You know how it's done. The real small one without the jumpsuit, mate. This one's quick, mate. Keep an eye on him, Jace. Hang on, hang on. Round of applause for Jace. Show the love. Round of applause. Zach, you're on the pink one, mate. The one on the pink. You got it. Here we go, Zach. A little bit. Not real slimy, it's just urine. There you go.
It's like what? Oi! I need to get busy.
Here you go, big kiss. Let's go, Zach. How old are you? 9, you're at that age where you start kissing everything, Zach. Let's go.
I'm not 16.
Big kiss. Come on. Oh, like a champion. Round of applause for Zach. Popping in the back of the thing, Zach. Kaylee, you're on Donald. Come on. You're on Donald jump. Come on over here, Kaylee. The one in the white there for you, mate. You got it. Round of applause for Kaylee. Ollie, you're on the orange one, mate. The 2 kids with the 2 most inappropriate names on the page. There you go. You got it, mate. They can't hurt you. Get that one off. There you go. Big deep, Ollie. Here we go.
Did you hear that?
That's it, mate.
Did you hear that?
You got
it's
it.
like a live poo.
It's so weird.
Let's go, Ollie. Alright, I'm going to help you out here, Ollie. Hold on to him. You're going to have to touch it in order to race it. Big kiss for me, Ollie.
Love it.
Oh, you missed, Ollie. Just right on your head, man. You missed it again, Ollie. Now, Kim. Kim, come on over here, Aussie. You want Aussie, the last one? Once you kiss it, scream out Aussie really loud, mate. Okay? Ready? Shh. There you go. Hush. In the bucket, nicely done. Alright, just to recap, this is your finishing line. First coat in the bucket wins the race.
Come on. Come on.
Remember the rules. Do not touch your toe whilst on the table. I will have to disqualify you. You don't want to do that tonight because you spent good money on it. The other thing is make sure you get the right toad. If you put someone else's toad in the bucket, you've given away your first place prize. We're going to go through them again in a second. Grab a whip, test it, make sure it's working.
Yours,
Ollie,
Laurie.
grab a whip, mate. Nicely done, that's how it works. Jace, grab one out for me, mate. One shot, we've done this before.
Yours is the one with the pink.
The other thing is, if there is any harm done to my toes, I will immediately disqualify you. Don't hurt them. Okay, Numjack. Mate, you're in the green on Jerry Springer. Justin, Mini-Me, the small one without the jumpsuit, mate. Zach, you're on the pink one, mate. We've got Kaylee in the white on Donald Jump. We've got Ollie in the orange on Camel Toad, and Kim in the blue on Aussie. You ready, Beck? Here we go.
Zach, ready?
You ready? Take your place. Stop it! Jump in there. I'll call it out. If I say first place, Jerry, the right of 1 there. If I say second place, you may want 2 there. Just keep on to straight away, okay? Alright. You ready, jockeys? Ready, Beck? You ready, crowd? Okay, this is the feature round. Here we go. Count them down in 3, 2, 1. They're off and running. Here we go. They're locating their toes. They get separated. We'll cost you Here we go, boys. Here we go. Camel toes off the table.
Get him, Ollie.
Bring it home, Ollie. Bring it home. Ollie, pick it up, pick it up. Pick up this, Ollie. Pick it up. Ollie, pick it up. Put it in the bucket. Put it in. Fifth place is Ollie. Can't reach the toe, mate. Bring it home. Line up over here, guys.
Right up there.
Oh, we've lost Ozzy. What happened to him? Oh, have you found him? Bring it over. Oh, it's out. It's left the room. Oh, Ozzy's out here. Ozzy, can I, if someone can go get Ozzy, that'll be great.
Okay, I'm second.
Line up along the back wall here. Good race. Oh dear. What an anti-climax here. Ozzy's coming. Ozzy's coming. Here he is, ladies and gentlemen. Out of nowhere. Do you want to give it to Kim so she can put him in the bucket? Go on, Kim. Finish off, mate. Big round of applause. Mate, rough round for you. There's a beer for you. In fifth place was Ollie on the camel toe. Give Ollie a round of applause. Come on over, mate. How old are you, Ollie? 18. There you go. Have a good night, Ollie.
That's what you're doing.
You look like a kid that doesn't eat sugar. I gave you no sugar. Yeah, Ollie. Give that to whoever put on your toes. In fourth place was Mini Me with Jason, ladies and gentlemen. Jason, a round of applause. Mate, so close. Thanks so much. I'll tell you what, because you helped out so much, have a second one on me. Thanks, appreciate that. That's for you. I've got another one. It's all good. Third place was. No, she was first. No, it was Jerry Springer. Where's Snapchat? Jerry Springer, round of applause. Nice step back, nice little bottle of wine for you, mate. Nicely done. Here we go. Second place was Zach with the Go Fredo. Nicely done, Zach. Look at this. You get a $30 IronBar voucher. And I'll give you a bottle of wine too. There you go, mate. That's it, thank you. Yep, there you go. There's one for you too, mate. And in first place was Kaylee Donald John. She's coming tomorrow. Perfect.
Right, that was really chaotic. So we came second and I think it was fifth, maybe fourth, I don't know. But anyway, we had so much fun. We gave our bottle of wine to the person who sponsored our toad. After all that fun and frivolity, it was time for ice cream. Next day we got up, we checked out the Port Douglas markets, the boys tried out sugarcane juice, and then we went on the Ballyhooly steam train. The Ballyhooly steam train provides a historic experience through the sugarcane fields and just around the general Port Douglas area. It was a short but sweet ride. Kids had lots of fun. We do love a steam train and we try and get on as many as we can. For joining us this week, please do leave a comment, like and subscribe. It really does help grow our little page. Thanks for joining us as we journey our way across Australia. We are having many adventures. We have had many adventures. We are now making our way down from Far North Queensland down the coast towards Brisbane. So join us next week, see where we end up. Not too sure where we're stopping next. Now the kids love collecting cane toads, so it's pretty obvious to comment below if you've spotted an animal this week. If you've spotted something that's not a cane toad, please leave a comment. We do have a fun fact coming up. Join us for next week to see what shenanigans we get up to next.